Welcome back to Tech Care Engineering. Today, we will dive into a practical tutorial on how to install a focused short blade fan. Whether you are a content creator like me, looking to improve airflow and reduce background noise in your videos, or simply want to optimize your filming space, this guide will walk you through process step by step. Or you are an electrician, you don't know how to install a new fan, you are in the right place. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for your continuous support. And if you are a new viewer here, please hit that subscribe button and join our community. My name is Engineer Vincent. Now, let's get started.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I
So now, there are some of the components we are going to use for this fan out installation. One of these components is what? Motor, the fan motor. No, the fan what? The fan handle. That one is called the bracket. And we have the fan or the fan cover. That's what we use to cover the motor. That's what. Then that's what. Please make sure that you turn the fan blade to get accurate airflow. If you didn't turn the fan blade to appropriate way, you will not get the accurate airflow. So make sure that you bring this one top and take this one down. If you do this, you get accurate airflow. Okay. And installation. You have to make sure that you tie down the fan screw well to avoid balance noise or achieve the correct operation during installation.
Then it's time for the thermal connections. In this installation, with this basket, you make sure the side of this screw always goes to the motor parts, and this part with just two holes goes to the source power. Red cable, which is connected to the running winding of the motor. Then we have the black and blue here. The blue is from the capacitor. and the black here is the starting winding of the motor. So it is the capacitor is connected to this in series with the starting winding of the motor.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind?
So far to the motor, so that when it is in operation, there won't be any shaking or any noise from the fan operation.
Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing.
So our screw will be here to hold firmly the bar to the so you use the ply to firm to tighten the knot, then you use this small clip in case there is it is hardly possible for the knot here to just go out. But for emergency sake, we have this. So it should be like this. So we just put it inside. So this is how it should be.
So now we are going to hang the fan. So we have to what? Make the screw tight. Have to tie the screw well. You have to connect the neutral. That's what is coming from what? The fan to what? The neutral. That's what? That is coming from what? The main switch or any electrical points. And you also have to connect what? The switch wire. That's what is coming from what? The fan to what? The switch wire. Where we are going to what? Place what? The fan what? Regulator. So we have to connect that switch wire to what? That what? Switch wire to what? The switch wire. That's what coming from what? The fan what? Regulator. So I'm going to tell you. You have to what? You selected the cable. Afterwards, the connection. So now we are done with what? The fan. So this is the connection of what? Fan regulator. We are done with the fan. It's time for us to what? To check, to turn the regulator on to see if the fan is working. So I'm going to turn the regulator on. So first you have to put the regulator to the one, to the first start, to 1, and you have to check. Now the fan is not, it's working. So if you increase the regulator, the speed will go up. So I'm going to turn it to 2. And listen, this one show that it's on 2. So now see how the regulator is what, and now it's on 3, 4, and the last one. Have you seen the speed I have changed, and now it's going like horse. Have you seen? So thank you guys, thank you for watching.